A little bit of a different subject matter today. I'm out in the woods by my little cabin, and I've got some burls. Little Uncle Milty. Big burl. Maple. Oak. You can see there's a lot of oak in there. I don't know, I've never opened up an oak before. It may be good, it may be not, but I'm going to open it up and see what it looks like inside. And I've got a smaller, that's about an 18-inch diameter yellow birch. So I've got my chaps on. Mr. Steele is over there. I'm going to put my hard hat on and my safety gear, and I'm going to proceed to cut these open and see what they look like. Some of the buyers like to see, I guess, what's inside of them, so I'm going to slap that one off, see what kind of figures in it. I'm going to try to take the log part off of it, so I'll bring you back when I get a good look at it and do a little bit of the noise making off camera and bring you back in and show you. It's just something a little bit different. It's, I don't know, for the end of January here, it's going to be 40 degrees today, so it's beautiful outside compared to that 15 below about 2 weeks ago. So yeah, and working on logging equipment and whatnot, trying to get guys to not throw these to the side. You know, it happens in the woods all the time. So if anybody watches this and you know, this turns out and you're local, I can get rid of them and get something for them anyways. There's a lot of turners and woodworkers that really appreciate this kind of wood. It's beautiful inside, so I'll go with that. We'll see what it looks like when I come back, and we'll go from there. All right, be back in a few minutes. Well, I got them cut right on the back of the truck. That one's so heavy I had to try to prop it up without hitting the truck, but I tell you, isn't that beautiful? This is the piece off of it. This is the maple. God, it's gorgeous. And this is the yellow birch. I just took one knob off the side because it's a pretty small piece, but pretty cool. Pretty cool. And then I tried the red oak down here, and to me it looks like more bark pocket. The bark is included, or inclusions in the wood, but it's still really, really neat. I don't know if there'll be any desire for that red oak. I've never heard guys using that for turning or anything, but you never know. Here's another piece of the red oak. Just beautiful. I don't know if it's because the grain is so open on the red oak or what the actual deal is, but that's the first one I've ever cut apart. And I got a whole pickup truck load here of little ones and big ones and whatnot, so I may be able to make something out of those. It's another one of the red oak. So that's what I was doing here today. Nice day out. It's hard on the saw blade, I'll tell you that, on the chainsaw, but got through her. We'll take a look at that, and I'll send some pictures off to the guy I know that is interested in these and make a video out of this. So hopefully you guys see this, and I don't know, maybe there's some more. I know there's local loggers. These things just get tossed to the side, and there's a little bit of value to them, but it takes a lot of work to get them to what, you know, from this to somebody who wants to turn a pen, you know, that kind of stuff. So at any rate, they're not all junk. So, well, I got the burls all packed up in the back of the truck. Put my saw away. And as you can see, this is what we do in Wisconsin when it's 42 degrees outside in the end of January. Sleeveless. So, yeah, just thought I'd send that along with you. Look at the woods today. Beautiful day out here. Big snowstorm coming tonight, apparently. Not really looking forward to getting back in the plow truck, but whatever, it is what it is. So, yeah, beautiful. Calm, sunny, 42 degrees on January 21st. So, talk to you later.